Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If your Opera GX browser bookmarks bar looks crowded with long bookmark names, you can easily make it clean and minimal by showing only the bookmarks icon and hiding the text. In this video, I will show you how to display bookmarks icon only in Opera GX and remove the text from the bookmarks bar. So let's get started. First, open Opera GX browser on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Make sure bookmarks bar is visible, showing both icons and text. To hide the text and keep only icon, right click on any bookmark and select here edit option. Now erase everything in the name field, and after that click on this save button. That's it. Now you will notice that only the website icon, also known as the favicon, is visible on the bookmarks bar. You need to repeat the same steps for other bookmarks if you want to show icons only. If you ever want to restore the text, simply right click the bookmark again, choose edit, type the name back into the name field and save the changes. This simple trick makes your Opera GX browser look much cleaner, more organized, and gives you extra space for more bookmarks. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.